So my name is Ron Chan. I came not knowing what I really didn't know about VR, but I learned a lot today. And my objective was to do something that I could document my family history. So I found this camera, which is a Brownie, that was produced in 1946, and it cost all of $4. And the reason why I thought this was important in creating family history is that I wanted to take a VR where I'm able to see the camera, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take photographs from my father's album, which actually was taken by this camera. And as the camera pans, you would actually see my father's photos. So you could see him as a little boy. You could see him growing up in the Sacramento Delta. You could see him playing football, for Cortland High, which, by the way, was a segregated school because at that time in the 20s and 30s, Chinese weren't allowed to go to the same schools as Caucasians. So he went to an Oriental school, and when he went to high school, it finally became segregated. But the idea is that this camera represents the focal point of being able to pan and scan a timeline of my family's history.
Wow. And so it's kind of that cornerstone or centerpiece. Oh, I love that. That's beautiful. Thank you so much for sharing that.
This one here,
Oh, yeah. Tell us about that.
this is, my father was in the Navy, and he was in World War II, and after the Battle of Midway, and the Americans took Midway Island, well, the doctrine at the time, because the Navy actually was consisting of three branches of service. You have the Navy, which is the battleships and the aircraft carriers, etc. But then you also had the Marines, and then you had something called the Seabees. So the way it worked is that the Seabees, S-E-A-B-E-E-S, that's what my father was. So what would happen is that in the Navy, you would shell the island, to soften the resistance. Then the Marines, who were also part of the Navy, would then be the boots on the ground to take the ground. But then after that's taken, then how do you get airfields built? How do you get munition depots built? How do you get the Quonset huts for munitions and fuel depots? So my father was in the Seabees, so his job as part of the Seabees is to go to Midway Island, and then it was to fortify Midway Island in preparation for the invasion of Japan. So my father actually wore this hat on Midway Island.
With Mark Heller, the